Hello, my friends. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has the power to reshape your life entirely. Imagine this: you wake up every day with a sense of confidence, determination, and certainty that no matter what comes your way, you will prevail. Doesn't that sound like a life worth living? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a fantasy. It's a reality you can create if you adopt the right mindset, one of victory and unwavering belief in yourself. Too often, we live as though life is happening to us, reacting to circumstances as if we are powerless to change them. But here's the truth: you are the creator of your experiences. The way you think, feel, and act determines the outcomes you see in your life. If you want to win, you must act like you've already won. That's not just a clever phrase, it's the foundation of a victorious attitude. Start by asking yourself this question: what would my life look like if I had already achieved everything I desire? Close your eyes and imagine it vividly. Picture yourself walking through your day with confidence, speaking and acting as if success is your natural state. When you align your thoughts and actions with this image, you begin to embody the essence of victory. It's not about pretending or faking it, it's about stepping into the version of yourself that already exists on the level of your imagination. Your imagination is a powerful tool. It's not merely a place for daydreams or wishful thinking, it's the workshop of your reality. Everything you experience in life first begins in the mind. When you consistently visualize yourself as victorious, you send a clear signal to your subconscious mind, which works tirelessly to bring that vision into reality. This is the secret: your external world is a mirror reflecting your inner world. If you want the mirror to show success, you must hold that image firmly within. Now, let's address the doubts that creep in. Maybe you're thinking, but I don't feel like I've won. How can I act victorious when my circumstances say otherwise? I understand how challenging this can be, but here's the key: feelings follow action. Begin to carry yourself as someone who has already triumphed. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and take decisive steps toward your goals. Even if it feels unfamiliar at first, persistence will transform this behavior into a natural part of who you are. Another essential element is gratitude. Gratitude is the language of abundance, and it reinforces the mindset of victory. Each day, take a moment to express thanks for what you already have and for the success you are creating. Gratitude shifts your focus away from lack and toward possibility. It's like watering a plant: whatever you nurture with your attention grows. Let's not overlook the power of affirmations. Words are incredibly influential, not just in how they shape your thoughts but in how they direct your energy. Speak words of victory over yourself daily. Say things like, "I am successful, I am capable, and I am worthy of every good thing." These statements may feel strange at first, but over time, they will rewire your mind to align with your goals. Remember, adopting a victorious attitude isn't about waiting for the evidence to show up before you believe it. It's about believing it so strongly that the evidence has no choice but to follow. This is a principle of life: what you believe with conviction becomes your reality. Doubt delays, but belief propels you forward. Surround yourself with people and influences that support this mindset. Choose relationships and environments that uplift you and remind you of your potential. Be cautious of negativity, as it can easily pull you back into old patterns of thinking. Instead, seek out inspiration and encouragement, whether through books, conversations, or your own self-reflection. When challenges arise, and they will, see them not as barriers but as stepping stones. Every setback is an opportunity to strengthen your resolve and refine your approach. A victorious mindset doesn't crumble under pressure, it adapts and grows stronger. This is the essence of winning, not avoiding challenges but mastering them. Lastly, let's talk about patience. Manifesting victory requires time and persistence. It's easy to get discouraged when results don't appear immediately, but remember, the seeds you plant today take time to grow. Stay consistent in your thoughts, actions, and belief, and trust the process. Your victory is inevitable if you don't give up. To truly embody this mindset, make it a daily practice. Begin each morning by setting your intention to live as the person you aspire to be. Carry that intention with you throughout the day, and let it guide your choices. In the evening, reflect on your progress, celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and recommit to your vision. Life is not a game of chance. It's a creation of your mind and spirit. When you act like you've already won, you align yourself with the flow of life's abundance. You move with purpose, attract opportunities, and inspire those around you. This is how you change your life, not by waiting for victory to come to you, but by claiming it here and now. Let's dig deeper into what it means to live from a victorious mindset. A vital aspect is cultivating clarity about your desires. Often, people struggle not because they lack potential, but because they lack direction. If you don't know where you're going, how can you expect to get there? Take some quiet time to focus on what truly matters to you. Be specific. Vague goals produce vague results, but clarity sets the stage for decisive action. Once you know what you want, break it down into manageable steps. A big vision can feel overwhelming, but when you turn it into a series of small, actionable tasks, it becomes achievable. For instance, if your goal is financial independence, instead of just saying, "I want to be wealthy," identify concrete actions like creating a budget, finding new income streams, or investing in self-development. This focused approach keeps you grounded in action while staying connected to your overarching vision. Now, let's talk about adaptability. Life will rarely move in a straight line, and that's okay. When things don't go as planned, view it as an opportunity to pivot rather than a reason to give up. A victorious mindset thrives on flexibility. It's not about forcing the world to bend to your will but learning how to adjust your sails to the winds of change. Every shift, even the unexpected ones, brings valuable lessons and opportunities you can use to grow. Equally important is celebrating progress. Too often, we wait for the big win before allowing ourselves to feel accomplished, but small victories matter. They fuel your momentum and remind you that you're capable of achieving more. Recognize these milestones and let them energize you to keep moving forward. And pay attention to the language you use, not just with others but with yourself. The words you think and speak create the atmosphere of your life. Replace phrases like, "I can't," or "I'm not sure," with statements that affirm your capability and resolve. Positive language isn't about denying reality, it's about choosing to focus on what empowers you rather than what diminishes you. This simple shift can dramatically change the way you approach challenges and opportunities alike. As we come to the end of this discussion, take a moment to reflect on what adopting a victorious mindset could mean for you. It's not merely about achieving your goals, it's about living with a sense of purpose, confidence, and inner peace that carries you through every moment of your life. A victorious attitude transforms not only how you see the world but how the world sees you. It's magnetic, energizing, and life-changing. Now, if you found value in this message, here's something I'd like to ask. First, hit the like button on this video. It helps spread this positive energy to others who need to hear it. Second, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more insights that could inspire you to live your best life. By subscribing, you're choosing to stay connected with content that empowers you to take charge of your destiny. It's a small action, but it could be the start of something much greater in your life. And if you've already subscribed, consider sharing this video with someone who might need a gentle push toward their own victory. Let me tell you why subscribing matters. It's not just about numbers or metrics, it's about creating a space where ideas like these can thrive and grow. When you join this channel, you're saying yes to a life of inspiration and possibility. That single click could be the difference between staying stuck and stepping into a new chapter of your life. So, don't just stop here. Engage with this video by leaving a comment below. Share what stood out to you, what resonated, or even what you're going to do differently from today onward. Your words might inspire someone else watching to take that first step toward their victory. Thank you for being part of this conversation. Your presence here means more than you know. If this message has touched you in any way, show your support by liking, subscribing, and staying connected. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and transformation in countless lives. So today, I challenge you to step into this mindset. Start small if you must, but start. Act, think, and feel as though you are already the person you desire to be. The results will astonish you. Your life will shift in ways you never thought possible, and you'll look back with gratitude for the moment you chose to claim your victory.